Downloading videos from YouTube, especially for beginners using their laptop, is so challenging. And so I've come up with this tutorial on how to download videos from YouTube directly into the laptop. Hello there, my name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I produce content on Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and other Android apps and websites that can help enhance our daily activities. I equally made a video on how to watch channels, TV channels all over the world for free. So if that resonates with you, you check the link in the description below. And without any further ado, let's get started. So to do that, open your Chrome browser and you type in YouTube in the search bar. You just type in YouTube, then click enter. It will open up. Then click on that first link, that YouTube you're seeing up there. You click on it and it will open. Then now, for you to actually download the video you want, for example, I would download this video, Atinga 2 Village Troublemakers. So I'll download it, and to do that, you right click on the video. Then you come down to copy link address. Click on it. Then you see up there, they have written the link copied. Now what you do is you go to that plus sign up there to open a new window. Then you click on that search bar and you type in savefrom.net. Savefrom.net, you click enter. Now when you click enter, it will look something like this. This is how it will look like. And then you click inside that rectangle, right click there and click on paste. Then the link will be pasted and the video will start loading. So as you can see down there, that's the video actually loading. Then now, voila, it has loaded. So what you do is you click on that download and it will start downloading. Check at the top right corner here, you'll actually see it downloading. That's it downloading. And the funniest thing is that, or the crazy part is that it is actually downloading directly into your laptop. So it is almost true. Voila, it has downloaded. So you just click on it. And you click on it and it will start playing. Now another way to do that is you can actually go out of that Windows, that YouTube, the download Windows completely, and go to your desktop itself. You open your desktop, then you click on download the first video of the Atinga something. Then you click on it and usually the video. Voila. So guys, this is how to download videos from YouTube channel directly into your laptop. If you find this video interesting, please turn on your notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.